Welcome to another episode of Ignite Website Marketing. My name is Robert, and today I want to continue with my series on how to rank your website #1 on Google. So if you haven't already, please subscribe below. I got a lot of great content I'll be releasing this year, and I'm going to be working very shortly here to get some guests to come on the show so we can talk marketing, business, and all this other fun stuff. So if you haven't subscribed, you better subscribe now. So let's get to it. In the past episodes, we've talked about how to rank your website using keywords and content creation. Today, I want to show you how to rank your website using internal and external linking strategies that will help you build your page and domain authority. So before I go into the strategy, what exactly is a domain authority? Well, a domain authority is how Google sees your website as an authoritative website. So if you are well-known industry, some company like Amazon, Google, definitely Barnes and Noble, they're going to have a domain authority of 90 to 100 because it's a very authoritative website. The domain's been around for a while, and there's a lot of content on the website that's helped build the website authority. So starting out, your domain authority, it starts at 1, and as you continue to add to your website and create more content, build more links and everything, your website domain authority and page authority are going to start going up. So you can, if you're consistent with this, it took me several months. I went from a 7 all the way to a 22, which is good. And and then finally the page authority. So the page authority 2 also is the content on the page. Is it legit content? Is it content that people want to search? Is it content people are looking for? Or does it have something of value? And then that also is built by your internal, external linking. So let's go into internal linking strategies. So internal linking strategies is when you have a bunch of links that are in your website that link to other pages throughout the website. And what you can do, there's a keyword on your website, in your content. And I mostly like to do this in my blogs, but you can also do it on some of your other, on your service pages or whatever. But you can add those links, you can highlight those links and have them link to another page. So for instance, if you're a wedding photographer in Phoenix, you could have that link and then it goes to another link, and then from there it goes to the actual page that talks about Phoenix wedding photography. Or say you were doing some city pages in your website as well, you could have that go to another city page that's local. But ideally, so what you do is you would internal linking strategies, you just highlight a keyword and then link it to another page on your website that's relevant to that keyword. And this is very easy to do with some blogging strategies. So if you're writing a blog on how to do photography's wedding photography tips, you can put in there wedding photographer near me or wedding photographer strategies, highlight that and have it go to your homepage, or to if you're did a blog on wedding photography strategies, you can also build you link that to that actual blog. And this is good because it helps strengthen your page authority, because you've got all these links going to one page and all these links going to another page. And this also can help you rank for a particular keyword. As when Google goes to crawl your website and looking for all the content that's in your website, it will pick up that link with that keyword, and it will help you rank for that word as well. Now, the second type of link building strategy that I want to talk to you about today is an external link strategy. Now, this is different from internal linking strategies because it's actually a link that's on someone else's website that goes back to your website. And ideally, you want to do this through guest posting or find some guest posting. I did an article on this, so I'm sorry, I did a video on this, so I'll put it up in the card here. Definitely check that out. It's a very informative one because it shows you how to build your list of places where you can get a backlink and reach out to them and write a blog article. So anyways, what you would do is, say you were a fitness business, you would look on other websites that have will allow you to write a blog on their website, and you want to check the domain authority of that website to make sure it's a high authoritative website. For instance, if I go on a fitness site that's 20 or above in a domain authority, I would want to get a post on there and a link back to my website. And that's also a strategy that's going to help you not only build your domain and page authority because it has a higher domain authority than yours, but it's when you write a blog on someone else's website that gets a lot of traffic, that is going to get you, if you write a very good article, that will get you a lot of traffic to your website, because sometimes they'll allow you to leave a link and stuff like that on your website. And then another thing you can do is you can find some guest posts where they you write a blog article and you have a link with a few keywords and you link that back to your website. So if you're a local business, you want to have your service and the location of that service as a link, so that when that links back to your website, Google's going to see, well, hey, you're getting this link is from this site is linking to yours, and again, it's going to help you rank for that keyword and build your domain authority. And as you continue to build links to your website from other websites that have a higher page authority and website and domain authority, that is going to help you increase your domain authority. And this ties in too with what I was talking about last week with the content creation as well. So the content creation is another factor that's going to help you rank your domain and page authority. If you have excellent content on your website that is relevant and that people are really looking for, and when Google spiders crawl the website like that and they say, oh God, this is a great article, we're getting all this traffic, that's going to help you rank for that particular keyword and to also build your domain authority. Now, so what happens when you build your domain authority? So as your domain authority increases, your keywords that you're already ranking for organically on Google are also going to start to rank a little higher as your page and domain authority build. And that's why this was a great subject I wanted to talk about, to cover this topic and how to rank #1 on Google, because link building I think is very important because it helps you build your page ranking for keywords. And another use for you can also utilize this on your Google My Business as well. So there's called citations. You can get backlinks with key terms that have you point to your Google My Business. That's going to help you optimize your Google My Business. So anyways, guys, I hope you found this video very insightful. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't, please subscribe below. I got a lot of great material coming soon. And in our next video, we're going to be talking about how to rank #1 on Google, optimizing your Google My Business. So you don't want to miss out on that. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much.